Kenya wachako kale migao mar somo mar tije lwedo TVET to chako chenro mar puodho jo Kenya manigi mich mopogore opogore to pok oyudo tiegruok mar konyogi yudo tije pacho ka nyaka pinje maoko. E chenrono motis ni recognition for prior learning, chenrono manosidhi ayange dwe mar adek higa mokalo geto jo Kenya manie sekta mar jua kali kod were mopogore kaka loso nyamburko, jowang' chumbe, jogedo, funde stima kod mamoko ma giyudo oko mar klas. Jata chenro mar RPL pacho ka Stanley Maindi oyango ni gigeto chiwo bok makamago ne jo Kenya milion 1 higa ka higa, kowacho ni nyaka sani jo Kenya maromo gana 5 oseyudo bok mapuodhogi kaka jolony manyalo manyo raka gi chir mana kaka oganda mamoko mane otiegore klas.
You are aware we have very many people who acquired skills outside the formal learning system. These people are working in the informal sector, they are running their own businesses, they are employed, but they don't have corresponding certificates. And so the government started a program called Recognition of Prior Learning, abbreviated as RPL, where these people are identified and brought into an assessment center like Kisumu National Polytechnic, where they are given practical exams in their respective areas. And when they qualify, they pass, they are given certificates that reflect the knowledge or the skills which they learned. We want to shift from the traditional way of teaching where somebody spends many years in school and when you come out, there is no job.
And we invite application across all areas, starting from plumbing, masonry, mechanics, those doing in affordable housing, tiling. You can come and do a single unit and then be able to be employable.